Good morning, class. Let's continue our chapter number 4, light energy. Okay, we were on this topic, reflection of light. Now, children, if you throw a ball on the ground, you will see that it rebounds after striking the ground. Similarly, when light falls on a surface, such as a mirror, it also bounces back like light is coming. This is a mirror surface and it reflects back. Okay. After striking the surface. Now this returning of light in the same medium after striking a surface, it was coming from this medium, strike the surface and returning back to the same medium. This is called, children, reflection of light. Now every object has got different extent of reflecting the light. Now some objects reflect a lot of light, some reflects less light and some does not reflect at all. Like a plain mirror reflects maximum light. Okay. While a transparent object, through which you can see clearly, transparent object, children, it reflects least amount of light. And the black objects, very dark objects, they absorb all the light and do not reflect any. Now children, plain mirror. What is this plain mirror? Can you see this figure? This is your reflecting side, reflecting surface, polished one, and this is your opaque surface. It is silvered from one side. It has been coated with some opaque material so as to safeguard the silvering on it. Now this incident light on a plain mirror enters from the front side on the polished surface and is reflected from the silvered surface. The coating being opaque does not allow the light to pass through it. Now this coating which is being opaque, it does not allow the light to pass through it. It forces it to bounce back, reflect back. Now there are some terms related to reflection of light, children. Let us see those terms. Now for example, this is your plain mirror or any surface. Okay. Now the light is coming. This is called incident. Light is coming in the form of a ray. So it is called incident ray. And when it is going back, it is getting reflected. This is called reflected ray. Now children, this is your normal, the perpendicular, which meets the surface at this point of incidence. Now children, what is point of incidence? The incident ray where meets the surface is called the point of incidence, and where this normal, this 90-degree perpendicular is coming at this point, this is your normal, children. And when this incident ray forms an angle with this, it is called angle of incidence. Similarly, while it is going back, it also forms an angle of reflection. Now both these, angle of incidence and angle of reflection, are equal. This is our law also. So let's study the laws of reflection of light, guys. The angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. This angle I is always, hamesha, equal to the angle of reflection. And secondly, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. Now this diagram is very important, children. Please draw it in your notebook. Now with this we finishes our laws of reflection. I hope it is clear to you. Have a nice day.